We are having potatoes for dinner tonight, so I need to go harvest some. Let's get some of these Mountain Rose potatoes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, I think that'll be enough for tonight's dinner. Look at how pretty they are. Wow, they are just as pretty on the inside. I just realized for what I want to do, I'm probably gonna have to peel them. I cannot remember the last time that I peeled potatoes. It has been a very long time. I just remembered that I'm gonna need some sage as well. They look like mini hot dogs. Hopefully they taste better than hot dogs.